Alright folks, look at that nice new air filter in the Vanitarium. We got Ricky over here, my buddy. He's down here. I should have showed you guys, but the people before, when I bought it, they told me they did the new coil on it. Well, what they didn't tell me is they had it zip tied up there, and we took the bracket off and everything and discovered that one of the screws were stripped, and now we figured out why they didn't want to do it. They passed the job on to us, but we got through it. Ricky's got it off. We're getting it back on and everything's good. So we'll get back to you later, folk. There's the heartbeat of the Vanitarium. Alright, there you go, buddy. You had me worried. I didn't know if you were coming today. There he goes. Well, alright, folk. It's hard for me to see while I'm trying to get this, but I'm hoping that I am getting the hawks that are up in the sky. There are 4 altogether. And it's basically the hawks that have been hanging out while summer and their babies. I figured that'd be pretty cool, folk. Well, alright folks, so it was another pretty good productive day today. We're parked for the night, and I'm chilling in the back of the Vanitarium here. I want to give a shout out and thanks to Ricky for helping me out on the engine, as you guys have seen. He helped me to do the coil. Like I was saying in the beginning, they didn't want to, apparently they told me they put another coil on, but apparently they didn't want to change the coil. So what they did is they rigged it on there, and the old coil was still on there. So we got the old coil off, put the one that I had on, that was working on properly, and got the new air filter in there. And she, on my way back here, she was running a lot better. I liked it. Yeah, so thanks, Rick. I appreciate it. He's also the one that helped me get the wipers going there properly. And also the hawk thing, hopefully I can explain it a little bit better. I've read up on the hawks after having the hawk come by so often this summer and everything. I read up on the hawks, and the hawks will not hang out. Like you won't have, if there's 2 hawks in a tree, they're together, they're mating. They're not just hanging out. Like, hawks just don't hang out with each other. They're very territorial. So there were 4 hawks up there. So I'm assuming it's mom, dad, and the kids. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I think in the video, you can hear it. That's actually, I'm assuming the mother hawk. We'll just say it's the mother hawk talking to the kids. So you can hear her squawking up there, which I thought was pretty cool. There was 4 of them all together. I thought it was awesome. But that's what that's all about. Anyways, besides that, just had a good day of straightening out the Vanitarium a little bit more. And I'm going to keep doing that for the next couple of days. I got some wood, and I'm thinking about finally. I think tomorrow I'm doing it, hopefully, and it's going over here, and all the it's gonna be like a big box, and the drawers are gonna go up on there, and I got to figure out a way to make sure they're good and secure up there. But they're gonna go up there, and I'm gonna be able to like slide the cooler and slide the, like when I get the generator, I'm gonna get a Predator at some point, and I'll be able to slide that in and out underneath there, and it's gonna open up all this room all over here, you know. So I'm pretty psyched about that. I got to get that done hopefully tomorrow. I'm not entirely positive if something else is popping up or not, but we'll see. Also, I'm making the call probably tomorrow as well, to hopefully Monday and or Tuesday to get the brakes done, or at least looked at, see if they need to be done. I want to make sure after all that mountain climbing she did. But anyways, that's about it. I'm about to chow down. I got some good food, and It's already prepared, so I don't have to prepare it. Yay! So anyways, that's going to be about it. And don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.